Hello, Tim Panton hotline.
Oh, hi there. Oh, God, I'm so glad I've been able to get through to somebody. I am having some real issues with my Lobster phone, and I'm just wondering if you might be able to help.
Well, probably. If you want to bring it along to an event we're having in London later in the month, then I'm sure we could have a look at it and maybe get it fixed. It's called CommCon.
Oh, cool. What? Sorry.
It's called CommCon.
Oh, okay. And you're going to be there.
Oh yeah. No, I'm there, but I'll be speaking about race cars rather than crustacea. But yeah, I'll be there, and there'll be a bunch of other communications people who will know exactly what to do with the Lobster phone.
Oh, amazing. All right. Well, that's such good news. Thank you so much. I'm so glad I've been able to get through to you. See you in when was it?
Oh, June the 5th and 6th in London, or the 12th and 13th in San Francisco, depending on where you are.
Oh, great. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Bye.
Okay, thanks. Bye.